Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Twisted Paper Studio here. How are you? I am currently doing a medieval book. It's a medieval bunny book, and this is some of the work that's on the inside. If you haven't seen any of my videos yet, I hope you decide to join me. Oh, this is a little crooked. Okay. I do have a medieval bunny ephemera kit that I would like to present to you and share with you. If you'd like to purchase the kit, it will be in my Etsy shop. There are 10 pages to the kit, and it is ephemera to use if you're also doing a medieval theme bunny journal. So here's the first page. It has some medieval drawings and some bunnies mixed in with some newer things as well. But these pieces are from the medieval times. This bee, of course, standing for bunny. There's some book plates in here as well. A rose. And second page, here's some more flowers and bunny. These two bunnies are newer. Of course, they are images that can be found, and used in your work. Here's some more. These were book plates, and this one I used in, let me see. I did a video where I did the little book. Where is it? Right here. I used that right here in this little book. And this guy, look at him. He's so masculine. That's the second page, and here's the third page. Here's a little drawing. There's another medieval bunny image. Another one. He's like on a snail head. I don't know. Here he has a sword. Here he's on a sword with a lion. And this is just a pretty image of a bird that I liked. And here's some more. They're so cute. There's a bee. A medieval drawing of a bee. Oh, are you able to see? I'm sorry. I hope you saw that all. Let me go back. There we go. I'm not at my desk. I'm standing, so the camera's a little closer. I didn't realize it. Isn't it so cute? These digitals will be available in my shop if you're seeing this video. They're just so dang cute. I love them. I used this one already in one of my videos, and this one as well. And here's a bunny page. And here's another medieval page with a bee on it for bunny. And here's another one. It looks like some medieval drawings. And this is a bunny. Here's a bunny. There's a bunny here, here, and here. And here's a numbers wheel. And here is my favorite. This is the medieval church window, but this is like a drawing. It looks like maybe they were building it. And then here's some medieval writing. And here's a title cover of a book page, and it has some bunnies on it. So cute. And then here's some more. These are like old drawings of bunnies. They're just so adorable. This one has a bunny with a tiger. And this one, it's a purple bunny. It's just so neat to make little tags out of them. I love them. And then the last page, here's a map. I did use this in my book as one of the pages. And then here's a page with some medieval writings on it. And that's it. There's 10 pages in the kit. This is the 10th page, the 9th page, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, I love him, 3, 2, and 1. And that's it. There are 10 pages, and this will be available in my kit, in my shop. If you are watching this video, it is available in my shop right now. You can find me anywhere, Twisted Paper Studio. I do have a TikTok and Instagram. I have a Facebook, and I also have this YouTube where you're watching this at. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you guys on my medieval bunny book journal. I hope you follow along. It's a lot of fun, and I will be using this kit and making some things from the kit for my book after this video is posted. Thank you so much. I hope to see you guys again soon. Well, I will see you guys again soon. I'm just jibber-jabbering now. Take care.